Summer, say Hamilton speaking.
I think there's a burglary in progress.
Somebody broke into the apartment. Whoa, slow down. What's the rest of the address? So are they breaking into that apartment right now? Do you see
yes,
that?
Yes,
okay,
yes. Right now.
Listen, are they entering through the front or the back, sir?
Through the back door, but they went through stairs, through like a ladder.
They got a ladder in the back?
Yeah, ladder in the back.
How many people did you see go inside?
I see one in the camera.
Okay, black, white, or Hispanic?
Black with all black with a ski mask.
Okay, and are you inside that location right now?
I'm on the side. I'm on the outside right now. I'm the owner.
Okay, what's your name, sir? Is building occupied or vacant?
It's occupied right now, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
How the bird.
You should be looking out for the police. Okay, watch for
it.
Yes,
of course.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get down on the ground! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Where's he at?
All right, all right, let me get a good description. I mean, a good look for you guys. We have a lot of units coming in. We need a good location.
Go to alley.
All right, so we're still at 1822 Central Park in the alley again?
No, not 9, somewhere in that area.
All right, 1807, 1809 Central Park in the alley. We're looking again for this male black, about 200 pounds, heavy set. 1822 Ridgeway in the alley.
Take cover, guys, take cover! Take cover!
He just went to one of the side gangs.
Go that way, that way!
What's up?
I went through one of the gangways.
Watch out, all black, we're in all black. What shade is this?
All black clothing. Ski mask, all black clothing gun in his hand. About male, 200 pounds.
He's coming up.
Sir,
Your hands, show your hands! Show your hands! Show your hands!
All right, you guys. All right, southbound 1800 Blocker Ridgeway. Are we in the alley or in the street? All right,
He's going north, walking slowly.
Which eye's coming this way?
Are you walking slowly? All right, going south, southbound walking slowly.
Shot fired. I think I shot off under. He's down. He's down.
1131, shots fired. Offender down. Offender down in the alley. 1131.
Slowly. Walk slowly.
All right, let me know exact address for you guys there so we have the EMS in route.
Keep your hands up!
Try to clear away for an ambulance.
All right, let's clear away for the ambulance. Let me know where we are at so we can get this ambulance going, guys. Where are we at with the ambulance?
Let's go.
Me too.
I got left.
We're going to be at about 1820.
I got it.
All right, we have the offender in custody. We're hearing 1820. Are we on Lawndale for the ambulance or where are we at for the ambulance?
Guns right there.
20.
Ridgeway.
All right, 1820 Wesley or Ridgeway for the ambulance. 10-4.
Yeah. 1131, offender. 1131.
24 alley of Ridgeway. Gotcha. Go ahead, 31. Go.
This is quiet. Offender shot in the head. Gun recovered. Get EMS to the alley.
Offender shot in the hip. Gun recovered. EMS is en route.